Today I'll be unboxing the Loungefly Mickey and Friends Ornament Mystery Pins. These were released last year in November of 2022 and were available at various retailers for $10.90 per box, and there's one pin in each box. These are still available this year. I've seen them on the Loungefly site and also at Box Lunch, so you can still get these. The pin designs are Christmas ornaments that are themed to the Mickey and Friends characters. So this is a 6-pin collection, and the pin designs we can get are Minnie, Mickey, Donald, Goofy, Pluto, and Daisy. So let's open them up and see what we get. So I have 6 boxes here to open up, which is 6 pins total. I am hoping to get Mickey and Goofy. It would be cool to get them all, but I really want Mickey because he is the chase pin in this collection, which means it has a lot of glitter on it, and of course it'll be harder to find. So that's the one I want, of course. Gotta get those chase ones, right? So let's see what we get. Pin 1. Hey, let's start off with Mickey. That'd be good. And our first pin is Daisy. So we have the Daisy themed ornament, and these are very shiny, so it's all a gold tone finish. That's what I see mostly. It's very, very gold, shiny. The back is very shiny too. So very nice pen. Very fancy ornament. So we have Daisy. I actually bought these last year and just ran out of time. I couldn't get all of my Christmas pin videos done, so I have a few here that are from last year still. All right, pin 2. Looks like it might have the same kind of bottom as Daisy. No, it's definitely longer, and it is Goofy. All right, that's one of the ones I wanted. So we have this ornament. This is a longer ornament themed to Goofy. Very cool design. Okay, we have Daisy and Goofy. Can we get the rest of the Mickey and Friends? Ooh, this looks like another Goofy from the bottom. And it is. So we have our first double. Now that means we can't complete the collection in this unboxing. So, yeah. So those are the only 2 with a point at the bottom. So if I open this up and see a point at the bottom, we know it's one of those. And this one, well, I'm looking at it and I see a point at the bottom, and I also see that it's Goofy. So we have our third Goofy. Oh, come on. Let's at least get 2 more uniques and make it 4 out of 6, right? Okay, 2 more pins to go here. And this one, I'm looking at the top, so I can't tell if it's... Now this one's definitely different. Oh yeah, this one looks like a bell, which means it's Pluto. Nice, we got a different one here. So Pluto, this one's shaped like a bell, and then it has Pluto's name down here on the thing that goes back and forth in the bell. I don't remember what the name of that is. Okay, so we've made it halfway. We're 3 out of 6. So at least we're there. Would love to get 4 out of 6, and would also love to get Mickey. But I see a point, and it looks blue, and it is. It's another Goofy. So we have 4 Goofies. Wow, this was not a great unboxing. Yeah, so I only got 3 out of the 6, but, you know, it was good to get these ones finally unboxed after sitting in this box back here for over a year. So those were the Loungefly Mickey and Friends Ornament Mystery Pins. I only unboxed 3 of them, but do you have a favorite out of these 3? I have a clear favorite here, and mine is Daisy. I just really like that ornament more than the other ones, and I just like how that one's kind of fancy and has a lot of little detail on it. So that is my favorite out of these. This was not a great unboxing. I only got 3 out of the 6. So the ones I'm still missing are Minnie, Mickey, and Donald. And is it just me, or the Minnie Mouse one, it kind of looks like a swimsuit. It looks like a polka dot bikini to me. It's just kind of what that looks like. I don't know if anyone else sees it, but that is all I see when I look at that one. And I really wish I could have gotten the Mickey Mouse one since it is the chase, but I know those are harder to get. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.